I've learnt so far a lot. There's a lot to take in. We're only halfway through. We've done a couple of lectures, a couple of pracs so far, but it's all been really incredible. We refer a lot of our fractures at the moment, so I've got myself and another vet from my practice here, and the idea is that we're not going to be referring quite as many things and we can do a bit more in-house, which is awesome. This is a really well structured, set out course, so I think there's going to be a lot of takeaways from this that we can put into practice straight away. It's not just something that we'll go to some lectures and then forget about later. It's really practical, and coming out of uni recently, I've got a bit of theory behind me, and sort of re-solidifying those things that I've learnt recently and then being able to put it into practice hopefully soon is a really good opportunity for me, and I think that's going to be the biggest benefit. The best part's been meeting some new people. It's really cool to see how many people come interstate to these things. I was really surprised. A few from Sydney, a few from Tassie, all over the place. So yeah, hearing what everyone's up to. There's lots of mixed practice vets here, so just chatting about all the things we've got in common and comparing notes essentially.